हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका स्टडी हब ऑनलाइन पर। यहाँ हम रोज लेकर आते हैं हिंदू के डेली वोकैब्युलरी वर्ड्स जो आपके कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए मस्ट नो होते हैं। फॉर पीडीएफ जॉइन आवर टेलीग्राम, लिंक इन डिस्क्रिप्शन। तो चलिए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए शुरू करते हैं आज का सेशन। राफ्ट, ढेर, बड़ी संख्या। मीनिंग, अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ समथिंग। सिनोनिम्स, plethora, abundance, host, multitude. Antonyms, handful, scarcity, lack. Example, nearly 7,000 new jobs will be created thanks to a raft of major new deals. Chad, झुलसा हुआ, जला हुआ. Meaning, partially burned so as to blacken the surface. Synonyms, scorched, burnt, blackened, seared. Antonyms, unburnt, pristine. Example, 19 charred bodies were retrieved from the gutted bus after the accident. Inconsolable, जिसे सांत्वना न दी जा सके. Meaning, of a person or their grief, not able to be comforted or alleviated. Synonyms, heartbroken, devastated, grief-stricken, desolate. Antonyms, consolable, content, happy. Example, inconsolable family members arrived at the accident spot after hearing the news. Unabated, nirantar, bina ruke. Meaning, without any reduction in intensity or strength. Synonyms, incessant, relentless, persistent, unceasing. Antonyms, diminished, abated, subsided. Example, the chief minister said incidents of harassment against fishermen continued unabated. Surreptitious, gupt, छिपा हुआ. Meaning, kept secret, especially because it would not be approved of. Synonyms, secret, clandestine, stealthy, furtive. Antonyms, open, public, overt, blatant. Example, a party leader expressed disquiet over the surreptitious policy reversal by the government. Lambasted, कड़ी आलोचना करना. Meaning, to criticize someone or something harshly. Synonyms, criticized, castigated, censured, condemned. Antonyms, praised, lauded, complimented, commended. Example, the chief minister lambasted the opposition leader for misgoverning the state. Inadvertently, अनजाने में, गलती से. Meaning, without intention, accidentally. Synonyms, accidentally, unintentionally, unwittingly, by mistake. Antonyms, deliberately, intentionally, consciously. Example, the singer was heavily trolled on social media for saying something inadvertently to the media. Quashing, रद्द करना, खारिज करना. Meaning, rejecting or voiding, especially by legal procedure. Synonyms, annulling, nullifying, invalidating, revoking. Antonyms, upholding, validating, enacting. Example, Justice Jai Sengupta lifted the protection while ordering the quashing of 15 furs against the leader. Vandalism, barbarta, tod-fod. Meaning, action involving deliberate destruction of or damage to public or private property. Synonyms, destruction, defacement, sabotage, damage. Antonyms, preservation, protection, construction. Example, the party submitted a memorandum concerning the vandalism of its office in Tripura. Unscrupulous, बेईमान, भ्रष्ट. Meaning, having or showing no moral principles, not honest or fair. Synonyms, dishonest, unethical, immoral, corrupt. Antonyms: scrupulous, ethical, honest, principled. Example: ultimately, an unscrupulous fellow cut off the grant. Used in crossword clue. If you like the video, do comments and subscribe. Stay cool, keep learning, be Gen G.